I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team.
In this video, we're going to optimize your YouTube account. You've set up your new YouTube account, you've added some details and added some of your own branding to your YouTube account, but now you need to optimize your YouTube account. Without optimizing your account, you're not going to break through the noise of the hundreds of thousands and millions of other profiles on YouTube. The first thing we want to do is we can add contact details to your YouTube channel. If anyone ever wants to get hold of you, they can do that in the contact details. To add your contact details, you need to come into your channel, click your image at the top and then come to your channel. Next, click Customize Channel, then navigate to About. If you scroll down, you'll come to Details. If someone needs to get hold of you for business inquiries, such as wanting to feature on your channel or having you featured on their channel, you can add an email here so people can get hold of you. So if you click on Email and then add your email, then click Done. Then if you want to consider more local connections, you can add your location so people can see what country you're in. I'm going to select United Kingdom, and it's automatically updated. The next thing we're going to do is add some links to your YouTube channel. What's the point of having a YouTube channel if you can't direct people off of YouTube onto your own content, onto your own websites, onto your own affiliate offers, or wherever you want to direct someone to after they've watched one of your videos or gone to your channel? To add links to your channel, go to your channel homepage by clicking My Channel, select Customize Channel, click the cog icon just here. Make sure that Customize the layout of your channel is enabled and click Save. Now you'll be able to edit your links in the top right hand corner of your channel art. As you can see here, we have Edit Links, and if we click this, it will take us to the About page. Add new links and choose how many are displayed over your channel art. You can add pretty much any links here. Obviously they should be relevant to your channel and relevant to the content that you're putting out. But you can add links to your website, to your email, to your social media platforms, even to your affiliate offers. Never miss an opportunity to connect more with your audience. For example, I'm going to select 3 links. I'm going to add my main website. I'm going to add my Facebook page. I'm going to add my Instagram. When I'm done, I'm going to click Done. Now you can see the websites that I've added are overlaid on top of my channel art. It's just one more way that I can maximize the traffic from my YouTube channel. Last but not least is including a channel trailer on your YouTube channel. Channel trailers are often overlooked and thought to be not that important, but they can be one of the most influential methods to attract new viewers to your channel. Channel trailers are basically short videos which introduce someone to your channel, just like a movie trailer. They appear on your main My Channel page. And since we don't have any videos uploaded to this channel yet, I'm going to jump over to my real YouTube channel and show you how to set one up. So you're now on my YouTube channel. As you can see, channel trailer appears and starts to autoplay as soon as someone lands on your main channel page. That they should be short, to the point, grab attention and give people a very clear picture of what your channel's about and why they should be interested. Now you know the importance of a channel trailer and what it should include. Here's how to add it to your own YouTube channel. First off, you must have a video already uploaded, which we will be going over in the next video. First thing is to make sure that you have channel customization on in your channel settings, as we did before, and then to upload the video you want to be your channel trailer. Next, go to Customize Channel. You can select your trailer for returning subscribers or for new visitors who have not yet subscribed. Click on For New Visitors. For the sake of the video, I'm going to remove my trailer, and this is what it will look like before you've added a trailer. You can welcome your unsubscribed visitors to your channel. Like I said, keep it short and make sure that it's attention grabbing and explains what you and your channel is all about. To add the channel trailer, click here, and then you can choose your channel trailer here. And then once you've selected your trailer, just click Save. That's all there is to it. You've now got the trailer ready to load up whenever someone visits your channel. In this video we went over optimizing your YouTube channel.